The purpose of this video is to assemble an Infinity Overture massage chair. The only tools you will need for this assembly are a Phillips head screwdriver, which is included in your kit. To start the assembly, make sure the chair is in a reclined position. If it is not, connect the chair to power, connect the remote, and recline the chair. Once the chair is in a reclined position, let's start by connecting one of the armrests. Here we're starting with the left arm of the chair. The left arm, once attached, will be on the same side as your left hand while sitting in the chair. To connect the armrests, place the armrest on the frame of the chair and then slide it down into place. We find it easiest if you stop halfway and then connect the air hoses and power connectors. When connecting the electrical hookup on the left arm of the chair, make sure that the thumb button lines up correctly so that it snaps into place. When sliding the arm the rest of the way on, make sure that the alignment nub is inserted into the corresponding socket on the body of the chair. By the hip airbag, there is a rubber plug. Remove the plug and tighten the screw that is inside. If you ever have to remove the arm of the chair, do not remove this screw, only loosen it until the arm comes free. Repeat this process for the right arm of the chair. The difference between the left and right arms of the chair is the right arm of the chair has one additional power connection. On these electrical hookups, make sure that the thumb button lines up so that it snaps into place. You'll still have to remove the rubber plug behind the hip airbag on the right side of the chair, then tighten the screw that is inside. Now, if you haven't already, connect the chair to power and then bring the chair to an upright position. Now we are going to attach the leg rest. Bring the leg rest close to the front of the chair. Connect the air hoses and electrical hookups. Make sure the thumb button snaps into place on the electrical hookups. The Overture also comes with a Velcro cover. Use this to cover up the connections on the chair. With all the connections attached, remove the screws on the footrest axle holders. These are found on the front of the chair body. Flip each axle holder up. Place the axles that are on the footrest into the axle holders that are on the body of the chair. Flip the axle holders down and replace the screws so that the axles and leg rest are firmly in place. The last step is to zip the leg rest onto the backrest of the chair. Congratulations on your new Infinity Overture massage chair. You've taken the next step towards unlimiting your wellness. Welcome to the Infinity family.